What's up, everyone? So glad you could make it in this streamed episode. 17 divided by 17, which equals 1, and 17 divided by 17 equals 1. Now we have this problem: 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division: 17 divided by 17 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 17 divided by 17, and we can write this part as 1 over 17 divided by 17. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 17 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 17, which equals 1 over 289. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.